There's no shaming, oh, you wrote that with ChatGPT. No, do it with ChatGPT because you'll do 10 emails in the same time that you write one email. So you're more productive. You won't be replaced by AI, but you'll be replaced by someone who's using AI. What hit me the most lately is that in this new economy, knowledge is commodity. There's no more value in knowledge. It's insane where we're headed.
A quote by Einstein, if I can find it in a book, I don't have to memorize it. Imagine that.
If he knew what was coming. You know, the 10 employee that generate 10 million is feasible. Midjourney has 20 employees, 11 labs, they're like 10, and they generate hundreds of millions. 2 weeks ago, the CTO of Microsoft announced that in 5 years, 95% of the code will be done by machines.
Ooh, that's dystopian, Jonathan. Now I want to talk about you. What motivated you to start?
I would say,
Let's say startups. One that has a really buzzing social media presence and the other is not very much. Does that have any weight?
interesting point of view. For example, we would not invest if we don't see that the entrepreneur